These big white geese in the center of the pasture are called Embden geese. When you get a whole goose from the grocery store, this is the type of goose you're eating. These geese are also the same type of geese used to make goose down blankets and pillows. We have many different breeds of chickens on pasture. We're very excited for a couple of these breeds. We have Andalusians, which you can see her, I'll try and zoom in, all the way out in the pasture. She is a blue Andalusian. They lay huge white eggs. They're very beautiful. And their feathers are used for fly fishing. So when you see beautiful tide flies, sometimes that might be a blue Andalusian feather. Right here is one of our white-faced black Spanish. There's less than 5 breeding flocks left of these in the United States, and we're working on establishing our own breeding flock of these beautiful animals. These and the Andalusians were used a long time ago to produce large white eggs in the United States and Europe, and they still lay beautiful white eggs. We also have a type of chicken that's called an Ameracana. And Ameraucanas lay beautiful blue eggs, and you can mix them with other types of chickens to get different color eggs. Green eggs, different tints of green and blue eggs, and sometimes pink and purple eggs. Those are very rare though. We only have one chicken who lays a purple egg, and she doesn't lay them frequently.